Moro Emily Elliott with Perfect Attendance Award. And go the lovely Marie Lumao with Honors, Loyalty, and Perfect Attendance Award. Loyalty Award. Sardido Irene Esponde with Honors and Perfect Attendance Award.
General Academics Apilan Eden Vincent Saleh, we honors Perfect Attendance Awardee, Loyalty Awardee. Volleyball qualifier for 2023 pre-national qualifying. Daria Charles Christian Pulmara, we honors Perfect Attendance and Loyalty Award. Dilion Lester John Salim, we honors Perfect Attendance and Loyalty Award. Volleyball qualifier for 2023 pre-national qualifying week. Orwella Ernesto Jr. Yango, we honors Perfect Attendance and Loyalty Award. Photojournalism DSBC participants and SSLG PIO. Gabriela Jr. Michael Bata, Loyalty Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Donald B. Wong, Hipolito Joseph Andre Garcia, Roland Boris Dominiza, Labusam Jacob Pamana, we honors Radio Broadcasting DSBC participants, Vice President of Barkada Contraloga Organization of Dallas National High School, and Protocol Officer of Barkada Contraloga Federation Dipolog City Division. Perfect Attendance Award. Lumanta Simon Bino, Magundaya Christopher Angkong, Loyalty Award. Maureen Paul Mentos Darao, Silver Medalist Basketball Regional Meet 2023. Martinez Leonard Ruiz, Morandarte Gian Bernie Dumont, Loyalty Award. Nazareno Chapo Quintana, Loyalty Award. Pinales AJ Cesar Acosta, Perfect Attendance Award. Ramon Justin Cantudo, Loyalty Awardee and Silver Medalist Boxing Regional Meet 2023. Kelvin Ichnen Tadimas, Loyalty Awardee and Perfect Attendance Award. Sampangin Chomari, Sugabo Roni Bakasi, Loyalty Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Tabaha John Paul Kumisi, Loyalty Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Teves John Keith Lakita, Loyalty Awardee. Chu J. March Puyana, Torres James Clark Origo, Loyalty Awardee. Amartino Merichor, We Honors Perfect Attendance Awardee. Acevedo Michelle Uribe Chacon, Loyalty Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Acopiano Maryjoy Olivia, Marjorie Olivia, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Alagor Pearl Julian Abilas, We Honors Perfect Attendance Awardee and Loyalty Awardee. Andalis Daisy Kumala, Andawi Venezuela Ampata, We Honors. Anlas Ivy Sumaka, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Palito G. Zamoras, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Paloy Aileen Maiga, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Dominique Mona Ruben Elliott, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Fernando April Rose Humanas, Hugo Chris Noven Pauline Palangkor, Loyalty Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Morandarte Evanje Ferolino, We Honors Perfect Attendance Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and SSLG Treasurer. Pata Angelique Silveria, Loyalty Awardee. Paolo Silver Christine Borley, Sana Osos Stephanie Wasata, Soledad Stephanie Grace Kinlo, Loyalty Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Supiter Julian Montoya, Sustito Aljain Green, Loyalty Awardee. Tawi Wongali, We Honors Perfect Attendance Awardee, For Technology Vocational IQ, Computer Systems Services NC2, Abrao Ray Umangan, Loyalty Awardee. Ahiyas Jemar Hutba, Loyalty Awardee. Alamang John Michael Ortega, with honors, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Ambabang Mario Mama, loyalty awardee. Azucenas Andre Maringo, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Balase Joshua Bulagaw, loyalty awardee. Bastiliana Joshua J. Supiter. Ibarra Rosario Alistano, with honors, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Jonaldo Janvel Morin, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Elmari Daria Managlago, loyalty awardee. Guti Nico Junel Mocamia, loyalty awardee. Happiness James Ray Lambio, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Amulon Rhodes Mete, loyalty awardee. Laure Baelo Peñero, perfect attendance awardee. Legados German Rambo, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Pagbuhos Chandro Bunyao. Gregorio Ryan James Moco, with honors, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Andres Aiki Mahina, perfect attendance awardee. Montemayor Mark Nelson Abne, with honors, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Upon Christian Paul Pincal, with honors, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Pandong Christian Kyle Navarro, with honors, loyalty awardee. Pizon Nico Antonino, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Rijoles Chanloy Quindon, with honors, perfect attendance and Mayor Darrell Inter-High School Basketball 2023 Champion, Regional Team 2023-2024 Qualifier. Kamalangin Jamlet Arjano, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Zacarias Gerald Patihan, loyalty awardee. Zacarias John Robert Patihan, loyalty awardee. Zamoras Joe Mickey Ana Oglayo. Acedo Angeline Villanova, loyalty awardee. Agustin Vanessa Cagan. Andoy Jenny Acron. Arpon Jenaline Mamubal, perfect attendance. Bula Janiel Marie Montin. Kanini Jenny Ikia, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee.
Carpetanos Barangay Ligados. Lumayan Archery Aba, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Ihan Liza Inca, perfect attendance. Garcia Arabella Bandila. Gumanat Karen Andao. Gumanas Maria Liz Childe Sumangko, loyalty awardee. Enofelio Justin K. Uriado, lead honors, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Magsalahi Nenalit Malaman, perfect attendance. Marfa Esbel Luwanta, loyalty awardee. Nataha ni kami dito, perfect attendance. Pasaporte Christine Nataha, loyalty awardee. Rodriguez Michelle B. Manurura. Sabanal Jilin Moras, with honors, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Sumatra Crystalline Tenda, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Pilde Michelle Marie Mayorita, loyalty awardee. Vivar Catherine Lamata, with honors, perfect attendance and loyalty awardee. Yusores Tibor Montemayor, with honors, perfect attendance, loyalty awardee, and bronze medal in Division Schools Press Conference as Technical Director, Latorch.
Technical Vocational Livelihood Track, Home Economics Trend, Bread and Pastry Production NC2. Check Restore Office, National Certificate Holder, Bread and Pastry Production, and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Coram Mark Alfred Caballero, National Certificate Holder, Bread and Pastry Production, and Tambola Ronnie Gumamay, National Certificate Holder of Bread and Pastry Production. Batigal Casey Almirol, with honors, National Certificate Holders 2, Bread and Pastry Production, Loyalty Awardee, SSLG, Officer for School Year 2023-2024. Bayot Marcel Amarille, National Certificate Holder 2 of Bread and Pastry Production. Bukdut Gian May Tumano, National Certificate Holder of Bread and Pastry Production with a Loyalty Awardee. Kabanit Ruby Kaupan, National Certificate Holder of Bread and Pastry Production. Donio Christy Joy Taruk, National Certificate Holder of Bread and Pastry Production. Ingkol Alexa Jen Zunico. Indigo Marini. Mabuting Joname Antabo, National Certificate Holder of Bread and Pastry Production, Perfect Attendance and Loyalty Awardee. Collior Christine Villano, National Certificate Holder of Bread and Pastry Production, Perfect Attendance and Loyalty Awardee. Poyos Ronabin Colliorina, National Certificate Holder of Bread and Pastry Production, Loyalty Awardee. Reginaldo Paulino Jr. Sumibay, Mayor Darrell Inter-High School Basketball 2023 Champion, City Meet 2023-2024 Basketball Champion, and Regional Meet 2023-2024 Qualifier. Bindanyo Neil Josh Hasulin. Gael Bolito Mama, Loyalty Awardee. Gondola Christian Zaragoza, Perfect Attendance and Loyalty Awardee. Patria Rex Dixie Howard Mendez. Porras Charlie II Ginawanaw, Perfect Attendance and Loyalty Awardee. Sarao PG Diniserio, Division Festival of Talents, Food Processing Category, 2nd placer. Alhaz Johnny Barbosa, Loyalty Awardee. Almirol Jenny Castillon, Loyalty Awardee. Bampal Riza Ate, Division Festival of Talents, Food Processing Category, 2nd placer. Barakia May Ann Putoy, Loyalty Awardee. Barbaso Edwin Almenso. Warkilia Raquel Sordilia. Kapala Rhea May Dulza. Delicious Anamich Sangatanan. Ichavia Mary Chris Bartonico, Perfect Attendance and Loyalty Awardee. Ibardo Laza Frechel Cuenca, Loyalty Awardee. La Forteza Princess Ashley May Reyes. Lunas Lara May Miras, Perfect Attendance Awardee. Manogura G. Tison, Perfect Attendance and Loyalty Awardee. Division Festival of Talents, Food Processing Category, 2nd placer. Mosqueda Krista May. Comandant Irene Chavez, Loyalty Awardee. Oida Frenzy Gumalan, Loyalty Awardee. Sonoria Rhea May Manla.
Humanities and Social Sciences, Block A. Aguililla Junior Jose Ronnie Inoy, Loyalty Awardee. Bacalong Raymond Habukulan, with honors. Valbuena Rex Morstallion, Loyalty Awardee. Bastasa John Noel Inoy, Loyalty Awardee. Castillon Redmark Byloses, Loyalty Awardee. Pumili Shane Paul Butchungan, Loyalty Awardee. Coro Christian Silabay. Josare Red Villardo, Loyalty Awardee. Diaz Turis Antenero, Loyalty Awardee. Gayatao Clark Joshua de la Cruz, Loyalty Awardee. Lumubon Chanloy Dizon, with Honors and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Manlayas Ray Longer Oro, Loyalty Awardee. Moras John Ray Pumilye, Loyalty Awardee and Perfect Attendance Awardee. Tizon CJ M. Nasser, Loyalty Awardee. Kilona Chanloy Sumalpo, Loyalty Awardee and Special Awardee for Basketball Sport, Champion, City School Year 2023-2024, Regional Mid Qualifier School Year 2023-2024, and Mayor Darrell Loy, Inter-High Basketball Champion 2023. Yes, Darrell Blessed Hipoli. Sana Gino Garitiman, Loyalty Awardee. Samosa Jeremy Surato, Loyalty Awardee. Sumaoy Pins Novi Suhay, with Honors and Loyalty Awardee. Takuda Ray Vincent Palurin, Loyalty Awardee. Shoko Rodel Gomez, Loyalty Awardee. Kumbang Raycon Ansale, with Honors. Aho Paligel Sarangaya, with Honors, Perfect Attendance Awardee and Loyalty Awardee. Angka Algie Limbaga, with Honors and Loyalty Awardee. Pangkiao Chel Naomi Malapange. Kuran Chianday Caballero, Loyalty Awardee. Magsugo Chapik Bakilan, Loyalty Awardee. Magtahas Sara Marie Rosary Arayan, with Honors, Perfect Attendance Awardee and Loyalty Awardee. Malayo Daisy May Buscaldo. Melancho Villa Sosas, Perfect Attendance Awardee and Loyalty